Imagine you're standing outside a neon-lit sign, a bustling city street behind you. Have you ever found yourself craving a delicious neon-inspired treat, only to be left hanging when it comes to payment? Well, today, we're diving into the burning question, does neon take Apple Pay? Let's find out together. I've seen the confusion, the disappointment, and even a few tears shed over this question. So, to put an end to the mystery, I've decided to do some investigating. Neon, with its vibrant colors and unique flavors, has quickly become a go-to spot for many. And Apple Pay, with its convenience and security, has revolutionized the way we pay. But do these two powerhouses work together? Let's dive in. First stop, the trendy neon spot in the heart of the city. Let's see what they say. Smiling, unfortunately, we don't take Apple Pay at this location yet. But we're working on it. Okay, so not a winner there. But let's keep trying. Next stop, the suburban neon outpost. So far, it seems like a mixed bag. Some neon locations accept Apple Pay, while others don't. It appears that the availability of Apple Pay can vary depending on the specific location and perhaps even the time of day. While I couldn't get a definitive answer for every neon location, I hope this investigation has shed some light on the situation. If you're planning a visit, it's always a good idea to check with the specific location beforehand to avoid any payment surprises. Have you had any luck paying with Apple Pay at Neon? Let us know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on exploring the neon world.